That's funny. So guys, this is going to be the existing HVAC setup that we have. It's in a small closet access. This is a mobile home trailer. This is the existing thermostat that we're looking at. It is a furnace and AC, so it does have heating and cooling capabilities on the thermostat. Should be wired for it already. But the big thing is this is an old Mercury thermostat. We're probably going to change it over to a digital non-programmable thermostat based off of our conversation that we had as far as what she's looking for, simplicity, and doesn't want it to be programmable or nothing really too technological for that side. But coming back to this guy, I'm trying to get a little bit further back so you guys can get a good angle. This is kind of a weird dimension. It's about 16 1/4, not our standard 14 1/2 or 17 1/2, so it's a little bit smaller. We have about a 14 by 25 by 1 filter up top that you can see, and then we have the coil just underneath. It's 60 inches from the very bottom all the way to the top of right here. The first thing that you're going to notice when you kind of look in is severe corrosion, water damage that I don't know how long it's been going on for, but there's a tremendous amount, and it's even gone through the furnace, down onto the coil, and then hit the ground, which kind of raises the question if it's a solid foundation for the furnace and AC. That, and there's a little bit of droppings that you can notice as well when you look in here as well. But with that being said, there's not a whole lot of space for these 2-inch fittings. This is a 90 or high efficiency furnace. It looks like it should be mobile furnace rated, but I'm used to the other ones that we usually do. It'll probably be an MM9E that we're going to be putting in here. This is a 75,000 BTU furnace that we will most likely match for this setup due to the comfortability throughout the entire house that she's experiencing. This is the electric line for this guy, and once again we have 2-inch exhaust and fresh air just going straight up through the house through these access. What I'm thinking is we'll go ahead and just replace from this section right here, just go ahead and cut from here and then run down, and then because this is so close, you probably have a little less than maybe 1/2 inch, maybe 1/4 inch right here. We may need to just push the furnace a little bit further to the right over here because it does not have a lot of clearance. You maybe have 1 inch in between these exhaust and fresh air just because of the 90 elbow, and you have just about the same, I'd probably say less, maybe about 3/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch on this right side. So pretty tight space. We do have the gas line running right through here that is running flex into, and then a hard pipe into the actual gas meter itself. But this is basically everything that we're looking at on the inside. So pretty small access space. It might be best to come through this door. And this actually might be better. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. This might be the best way to kind of take the system out, and I believe there's a gate on the outside, so instead of trying to go through that front door. But that's basically everything, guys. So